Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's episode there is no recipe, but I'm going to review and unbox this Foreman submersible grill. So let's quickly unbox this and see how it is, and we are also going to give it a try and cook something really quick. So it comes with this booklet, of course, give you directions and instruction how to use it. And here is the grill. And this grill, I love this light gray color, and it's a good quality as well. And if you see that they give you, see it's how it's easily movable and give you some room, so that way if you're cooking something really thick like a burger, it fits easily. And this is the plug that you can take it off. Of course, do not put this in the water, but the whole thing, the whole grill goes in the water or dishwasher. See, this is just no more cleaning. You just put this in the dishwasher or wash it with the under tap water, however you prefer. It is so easy to clean. And this is a tray underneath, so it will collect all the excess oil, and it cooks 30% faster. That's what it says, so we're gonna find out that. I have plugged in the grill, so as soon as you plugged in, the red light goes on. That means it's heating, and now it's a green, so that means it's already heated. It took about 3 to 4 minutes to completely heat up this grill. Since it's ready to cook, so what I'm going to do, we're gonna cook some sandwich. So for that, I'm putting some patties here. Here I just veg and potato and black bean and quinoa patties. The different kind of patties I'm cooking here just to see the results, how they cook. And now just simply close the lid and cook this. It's been a minute, let's check. Nicely grilled. I love it. If you like more crispy, just do it more. So here, just really basic sandwich, just onion, avocado spread, tomatoes, cheese, and some greens I'm gonna put on top. And finally, patty on top, and just close it and put it on a griller. You see how thick it is? Let's see how it does in the griller. And here we go. Look at this. This was just in a minute. So good.